In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. And once you're inside your inbox, click on an email to open it. At the top of the email, click the three vertical dots icon labeled More in the toolbar above the message content. From the drop-down menu, select filter messages like these. A search window will appear with several filtering options. Locate the has the words field. In this field, type a specific keyword or phrase that you want Gmail to search for. If you want to filter based on a specific word, like HubSpot, for example, type that word directly into the same field. Gmail will then display emails that contain that word according to your criteria. If you only want to see emails that include attachments, check the box for Has Attachment. To exclude chat messages from the results, check the box for Don't Include Chats. After setting your preferences, click the blue search button in the bottom right corner of the window. Gmail will display emails that match the filter conditions you selected. You can repeat this process anytime you need to refine your search with different keywords or filtering options. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.